Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the challenge from the unit Create a Role Hierarchy. The objective of this challenge is to create 3 different roles in the org where all the roles are in a hierarchy and they'll be reporting to each other while the top role is reporting to the CEO. So let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground and get started. Once we are in our settings in the Trailhead playground, let's search for roles. And once we are in the roles page, let's skip this to go to setup roles at the bottom of the screen. And once we are here, let's click on add role. So you can click on add role anywhere. We can change where it belongs in this role reports to. So let's create our first one, which is our Chief Sales Officer. Let's copy paste the role, the label, and the role name is populated. So this role reports to CEO. Role name as displayed on reports. Well, I don't think we need that now, but let's go to the next one, save in new. The next one is Sales Strategy Manager. Let's copy paste our label. So this role reports to Chief Sales Officer. So let's change that. Let me bring that over here. So this is the Chief Sales Officer. So let's select that. So our Sales Strategy Manager will be reporting to Chief Sales Officer. And save and new. This is the last role we'll be creating, which is the Training Coordinator. Let's copy paste the label. And our Training Coordinator reports to our Sales Strategy Manager. So let's find our Sales Strategy Manager. It's probably under here. So let's select Sales Strategy Manager and go ahead and save it. So let's take a look at our hierarchy to get a better idea of what we have created. So as you can see, we have our CEO over here, and so our Chief Sales Officer is one rank below the CEO, and our Sales Strategy Manager is one rank below the Chief Sales Officer, and we should have our Technical Coordinator below our Sales Strategy Manager. So as you can see, this is the hierarchy which we have created right now. So let's check if we have done everything right in this challenge. That's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.